All right, one of the things we discussed before was the rebates from city gas, being that now we're a contractor for city gas. So we want to give you an example. If you had a commercial water heater, what are some of the benefits we can do for you? So let's say you have one of the most popular heaters in commercial is a 36 unit apartment building, which would be a G76200. All right, that heater runs 4,995. All of this is going to be plus tax, but just going to give you numbers. Now, a standard installation, commercial gas installation, is around $2,000, or let me rephrase that, starts at $2,000. The beauty is now we get a rebate from City Gas, which almost covers your full installation. So now we're going from 6,999 to 5,495 plus tax. Saves yourself quite a bit of money. It almost covers the whole installation for you. But that's not the best part. A lot of people are asking, well, yeah, that's great, except that I want tankless. I don't want to use a tank water heater anymore. It's too much of a pain. I want to be able to go tankless. Okay, well, here's the beauty of it. With tankless water heaters, we have an option of going with 3 tankless water heaters instead of a G76200. And the tankless water heaters the Rheem tankless water heaters come with a little storage tank in it, so you can connect the recirculating line to it. You don't have to put a separate storage tank. So here's the beauty. You got 3 tankless water heaters. We're going to go with the big ones that have the high efficiency, that have the pump. All right, each one of those costs $18.45. That means that we're at $55.35. Well, that's more expensive than the tank, but give me a second. I haven't finished. Now we got installations. We need 3 valve kits for these heaters and 3 commercial tankless installation. All right, the valve kits are going to be $105 each, so we're at $315. The installation is a little bit cheaper because it's not as difficult, but it's going to be $1,200. Except that that's times 3. We're at $3,600. That seems pretty high. I know what you're saying, well, but I'm spending a lot more money. So right now we're at $85.50. Man, that's a lot more money. Here's the key. For every tankless water heater that you put in, City Gas gives you a $2,000 rebate, up until $10,000. So now we have 3 rebates at $2,000 a piece. We just went down $6,000. Okay, so actually, I'm sorry, this is 9. My math is off. I almost had Miss Noriega as a teacher. So 0. Fix my math. 94. So now we're at $34.50 for this installation. So now you've got $34.50. So now I'm giving you 3 tankless water heaters. Well, I'm not giving you anything. I'm selling you 3 tankless water heaters, okay, to replace 1 big heater, and I'm saving you over $2,000. Or City Gas is saving you over $2,000. The beauty of that is when these heaters break, because you know heaters break eventually, well, with this system, you've got 2 backups waiting for you. And if one breaks, you only have to replace one. You don't got to replace all of them. Hopefully there'll still be rebates when that happens, 10, 12 years down the road. There'll still be rebates. So it'll cover, if you still get the $2,000, it's going to cover almost everything. It's a win-win situation. A lot of the places out there that we go check water heaters, we see that the heaters are in awful shape. I mean, they're destroyed. and people don't replace them because it is so expensive. Well, now we've got a better option for you, a cheaper option for you, and it's something that in the future you can replace little by little, and you don't have to take such a big lump sum in one shot. Now, if you do want to go this route and you want to stay with this commercial water heater, well, guess what? We offer financing now also. So you don't have to pay for this all up front. We can finance it for you. We can also finance this one for you. It depends on what you want. The same exact heater, the same exact application has two different solutions. Which one's better for you? We've got them all. Whichever one you want, we'll get it for you.